Hello students, welcome back to my channel, and today we will learn how to talk on calls. Then, let's start. One evening, Rahul was sitting quietly in his room. His phone was lying on the table. Rahul looked at the phone and sighed. Rahul knew English, but he was always afraid of speaking English on phone calls. Whenever someone called him, he felt nervous. His heart started beating fast, his mind became blank. He always thought, what if I say something wrong? What if I cannot understand the other person? What if I make a mistake? Because of this fear, Rahul avoided phone calls. Sometimes he ignored calls. Sometimes he cut the call quickly. Sometimes he sent a message instead. One day, something interesting happened. Rahul's phone started ringing. Ring, ring, ring. Rahul looked at the screen. The caller name was Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma was Rahul's new manager. Rahul became nervous. He whispered to himself, "Oh no, my boss is calling." He took a deep breath. He thought for a moment. Then he said to himself, "Rahul, you cannot avoid this call. Just answer the call." Slowly, he picked up the phone, and the call started. Rahul said politely, "Hello, good evening." Mr. Sharma replied, "Good evening, Rahul. How are you?" Rahul felt a little relaxed. He answered, "I am fine, sir. Thank you for asking. How are you?" Mr. Sharma said, "I am doing well." "Thank you." There was a small pause. Rahul remembered something important. Whenever you answer a call, you should speak clearly and politely. Rahul continued, "Sir, how can I help you?" Mr. Sharma said, "Rahul, I just wanted to discuss tomorrow's meeting." Rahul replied calmly, "Sure, sir. Please tell me." Mr. Sharma continued, "The meeting will start at 10 in the morning." Rahul said, "Okay, sir. I understand." Mr. Sharma asked, "Will you be able to prepare the report?" Rahul answered confidently, "Yes, sir. I will prepare the report tonight." Mr. Sharma said, "That's great." Rahul smiled. Now he was feeling comfortable. He realized something important. Phone calls are not difficult. You just need simple and clear sentences. After a moment, Mr. Sharma asked another question. "Rahul, did you check the email I sent this afternoon?" Rahul quickly remembered the email. He replied, "Yes, sir. I checked the email." Mr. Sharma said, "Good. Please review the document carefully." Rahul answered, "Sure, sir. I will review it again." Mr. Sharma paused for a second. Then he said, "If you have any questions, you can call me anytime." Rahul replied politely, "Thank you, sir. I appreciate that." There was a short silence. Rahul thought the conversation was ending. So he said, "Sir, is there anything else you would like to discuss?" Mr. Sharma replied, "No, Rahul. That's all for now." Rahul said politely, "All right, sir."
Then he added, "Thank you for calling." Mr. Sharma said, "You're welcome." Rahul continued, "Have a great evening, sir." Mr. Sharma replied, "You too, Rahul." "Good night." Rahul said, "Good night, sir." And the call ended. Rahul slowly placed his phone on the table. He felt proud of himself. He smiled and said, "That was not difficult at all." Rahul realized an important truth. Speaking English on phone calls is simple. You only need a few polite sentences. For example, "Hello, good morning." "Hello, good afternoon." "Hello, good evening. How are you?" "How can I help you?" "Please tell me." "Sure, no problem." "Okay, I understand. Thank you for calling. Have a great day." These simple sentences make your phone conversation smooth. Rahul felt more confident now, but he didn't know that another phone call was about to change everything. Suddenly, ring, ring, ring. Rahul looked at the phone again. This time, the caller was an unknown number. Rahul whispered, "Who could this be?" He hesitated for a moment, but then he remembered something. Confidence grows with practice. So Rahul answered the call. "Hello." And a stranger's voice said, "Hello. May I speak with Rahul?" Rahul replied, "Yes, this is Rahul speaking. How can I help you?" The voice said politely, "Hello, Rahul. My name is Priya." I am calling from Bright Solutions. Rahul listened carefully. The conversation was about to become more interesting, and Rahul was about to learn even more useful phone sentences. But what happened in the next call was something Rahul never expected. Rahul looked at the phone screen. It was an unknown number. For a moment, Rahul felt nervous again, but this time, he remembered the confidence he gained from the previous call. He took a deep breath. Then he answered the call politely. "Hello?" A calm voice replied. "Hello? May I speak with Rahul?" Rahul responded clearly, "Yes, this is Rahul speaking. How can I help you?" The caller continued, "Hello, Rahul. My name is Priya. I am calling from Bright Solutions." Rahul listened carefully. He replied politely, "Hello, Priya. Good evening." Priya said, "Good evening, Rahul." There was a small pause. Priya continued, "Rahul, I am calling regarding the job application you submitted last week." Rahul felt surprised. He quickly sat straight in his chair. He answered calmly, "Oh, yes. Thank you for calling." Priya said, "You're welcome." Rahul remembered something important. Whenever someone introduces themselves on a call, you should respond politely. So Rahul said, "Nice to speak with you, Priya." Priya replied, "Nice to speak with you too, Rahul." Then she continued, "I would like to ask you a few questions." Rahul replied confidently, "Sure. Please go ahead." Priya asked, "Are you available for a short interview tomorrow?" Rahul thought for a moment. Then he answered, "Yes, I am available." Priya asked again, "What time would be convenient for you?" Rahul replied, "Tomorrow morning would be perfect for me." Priya said, "All right. The interview will be at 11 in the morning." Rahul responded, "Okay. Thank you for informing me." Priya continued, "The interview will be conducted over a phone call." Rahul smiled. Now he felt comfortable talking on the phone. He said politely, "That sounds good." Priya asked another question, "Rahul, do you have any questions for us?" Rahul thought for a moment. Then he asked politely, "Yes, I have one question." Priya replied, "Sure, please go ahead." Rahul asked, "Could you please tell me how long the interview will take?" Priya answered, "The interview will take around 20 minutes." Rahul said, "Okay, thank you for the information." Priya said, "You're welcome." There was a short pause. Then Priya said, "Before we end the call, let me confirm your email address." Rahul replied, "Yes, sure." Priya asked, "Is your email address rahul.kumar@email.com?" Rahul replied, "Yes, that is correct." Priya said, "Great. You will receive an email shortly with the interview details." Rahul responded politely, "Thank you very much." Priya said, "You're welcome, Rahul." Then Rahul remembered another useful phone sentence. He said, "I appreciate your call." Priya replied, "It's my pleasure." There was a brief silence. Rahul politely asked, "Is there anything else I should prepare for the interview?" Priya answered, "Just be ready to discuss your experience and skills." Rahul said, "All right, I will prepare for it." Priya said, "Perfect." Rahul continued politely, "Thank you again for calling." Priya replied, "You're welcome." Then she added, "Have a wonderful evening." Rahul smiled and said, "You too. Have a great evening." Priya said, "Goodbye, Rahul." Rahul replied, "Goodbye," and the call ended. Rahul slowly put the phone down. He felt happy. Just a few days ago, he was afraid of answering phone calls, but now he was having professional conversations in English. Rahul realized something very important. Speaking on the phone is not about using difficult English. It is about using simple, clear, and polite sentences. For example, "May I speak with Rahul?" "This is Rahul speaking. How can I help you?" "Nice to speak with you. Please go ahead. Thank you for calling. I appreciate your call. Have a great day. Goodbye." These simple sentences make phone conversations easy. Rahul smiled. He felt confident. But suddenly, his phone rang again. Ring, ring, ring. Rahul looked at the screen. This time, it was his best friend Amit calling. Rahul laughed softly. He said, "Well, this will be an easy call." He answered the phone. "Hello, Amit." But this call was going to be very different, because Rahul and Amit were about to have a fun and casual phone conversation in English, and Rahul would learn many new everyday phone sentences. But what happened during that call was both funny and very helpful for learning English. But what happened during that call was both funny and very helpful for learning English. Rahul answered the call. "Hello, Amit," Amit replied happily. "Hey, Rahul, how are you doing?" Rahul smiled and said, "I'm doing well. How about you?" Amit replied, "I'm great. I just wanted to check on you." Rahul laughed softly. He said, "That's nice of you." There was a short pause. Then Amit asked, "So, how was your day?" Rahul replied, "It was actually very interesting." Amit sounded curious. "Really? What happened?" Rahul said, "I had an important phone call today." Amit asked, "With whom?" Rahul replied, "With a company representative. She called me about a job interview." Amit sounded excited. "That's great news." Rahul said, "Yes, it is. But you know something funny?" Amit asked. "What?" Rahul replied, "A few days ago, I was afraid of phone calls." Amit laughed. "Really?" Rahul said, "Yes. Whenever my phone rang, I felt nervous. I didn't know what to say." Amit replied, "That happens to many people." Rahul said, "But today, everything changed." Amit asked, "What do you mean?" Rahul explained, "I realized something very important. Speaking English on phone calls is not difficult. You just need to stay calm, speak slowly, and use simple sentences." Amit said, "That's absolutely true." Rahul continued, "For example, when you answer a call, you can say, 'Hello,' 'Good morning,' 'Good afternoon,' 'Good evening.'" Amit replied, "Yes, those are very common greetings." Rahul continued, "Then if someone asks for you, you can say, 'This is Rahul speaking,' or 'Yes, Rahul speaking.'" Amit said, "Right." Rahul continued, "And if you want to help the caller, you can say, 'How can I help you?' or 'How may I assist you?'" Amit said, "That sounds very professional." Rahul smiled. Then he said, "And if you don't hear something clearly, you can politely say, 'Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Could you please repeat that?'" Amit replied, "Yes, that sentence is very useful." Rahul continued, "And if the network is weak, you can say, 'The connection is not clear. Could you speak a little louder?'" Amit said, "That's a good one." Rahul continued, "And when the conversation is ending, you can say, 'Thank you for calling. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. Take care. Goodbye." Amit replied, "Those sentences make conversations very polite." Rahul said, "Exactly. That's what I learned today." Amit said, "I'm proud of you, Rahul." Rahul replied, "Thank you, my friend." There was a small pause. Then Amit said, "All right, Rahul, I should go now." Rahul replied, "Okay. It was really nice talking to you." Amit said, "Same here. Take care." Rahul replied, "You too. Goodbye." Amit said, "Goodbye." And the call ended.